I hear him.
Yeah.
Kill him, Rigatoni. Kill him. I'm letting you kill him.
By B.
Yep. Darcy, it doesn't even matter what you say, faggot boy. It doesn't even matter, faggot boy.
Saying anything.
Come on! Castet.
Same kill streak, so probably wouldn't like that.
Probably wouldn't appreciate that. Dude, what am I doing? I'm like jumping around like a little crazy monster over here. Hold on, I gotta record that.
Damn it!
Oh, jeez. How's that not a collab, dude? They were like...
Literally right next to each other.
Oh my god, you're shitting, He's shitting. Oh my god, you're shitting.
Keep getting killed.
Oh my god, these kids are terrible!
66 kills, right?
Yo, watch this shot, bro. Watch what happened to you, bro.
English,
Ready?
please.
Yo, he...
Oh shit! Oh! I'm bad. I'm recording that because I'm bad.
I can go mess him up. I can run the other way.
Attaboy! Yes, sir!
Dude,
Yes,
I executed Nick and then killed all. Dude, that clip is nuts.
I was defusing and my friend Derek were just hunting me.
I thought he was gonna shot me a huge shield.
Oh, I'm bad. Get the fuck! Get out of here, dude! God damn! Let's fucking go! Let's go, boys! Let's fucking go!
It's you and Jake.
Get fucked up, son! Shit!
I played phenomenal yesterday.
Maybe he's using a class he doesn't really know.
Dude, you gonna bill him? Oh.
What'd he do? What'd he do?
He threw a grenade, he knew I was coming.
Good night, Funky! Jake's in the back! He's in his spawn! Jake's killing everybody! Jake is killing everybody! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness.
Wait, we won?
Oh! Hold on, Joe. Hold on. Those kids both left the game? Did I make those kids leave the game? I remember that. Another quad feed, bro. Oh, split. Don't make me go to
Literally up on the box, and they cannot seem to figure that out. But up here for so long. What? What? I hit him! Oh, Chooch.
Yeah, I was a poop.
Call of Duty? Come on now.
Wait, so you're all 35?
So we're all at
'Cause
least 35.
we may have-
exactly.
Yeah, where you
that's
going,
what
Vic?
we
You gotta
said.
watch the
I
dog.
may
Where
have
you
gone to school. I may have gone to school with you.
Yeah, we went to the exact same high school. How'd you
Yeah,
know?
I went to Poopfartballs High.
Balls high. Me too.
That was good, that was
Cotton
funny.
Balls was the mascot. Yeah.
Big old set of male genitalia. His motto
I
was
think we played
spit.
big old knockers